Hi guys, it's Miss Targonsky. So we are back reading our book this week called Where, and it's about little brown bear who's lost in the woods and he can't find his mother or his father or his house or his bed and he's feeling so scared. But the ending of this book is a little bit tricky. So I thought that we could play this game where we try to unscramble the words to have them make sense, and maybe that'll help us read the ending of the story a little bit easier. So let's start the game. So right now I have one of the last pictures in the book, and we see little brown bear and he's screaming up in the air and he's asking a question. And the reason why I know he's asking a question is because I see right here, I see a question mark, right? So he's yelling out a question. And I know that he's saying it because of these things right here. Do you know what these are called? Those are called quotation marks. And when you see these marks, that means the character is speaking. The character is saying something, and that's a good reminder to use your character voice. But let's try to figure out what Little Brown Bear is saying here, what he's asking. I have the 3 words of the sentence here, but they're not in the right order, and I need your help to put them in the right order. So this right here in the middle is a sight word. We know this word. Do you know what that word is? That sight word is I. This word right here, am, is, maybe we could sound it out. Am. Am. This sight word is am. And this is the title of our book over here. We kind of practiced that word yesterday. Do you remember what this word is? W-H-E-R-E. Let's go back and look at the title of the book. Ooh, W-H-E-R-E. This word is where. Where. So I have am, I, where. Now, I can click these and drag them, but I'm not sure that's the right order. Am, I, where? Does that make sense? No. What about if I switch these guys around? I am where? No, that doesn't make sense. What do you think it could be? You know what I notice? I notice this capital uppercase W right here. Now, don't we always start our sentences with an uppercase letter? So maybe this is the first word. Where? Let's see if I can move these around. Where? So if he's asking a question that starts with the word where, I wonder what it could be. Where I am? No, that doesn't make sense. Where am I? Good. Let's use our character voices now to try to say this sentence. Where am I? Remember, look at little brown bear. He's yelling up to the sky with his eyes closed. Where am I? You try. Good. So now let's try the next page. I have another picture. Now this one's even trickier because we have 2 lines here to fill in. So now he's sitting with Fox and he's looking down and he's looking sad. And now he's finally admitting to Fox that he's lost. So look at these 3 words. Lost, there's that am word again, am, and I. Is he saying lost am I? Am lost I lost am? What order should these go in? What if I started with I? I lost? No, we're missing some words. I am lost. Does that make sense? Yeah, that makes sense. I am lost. So he's saying that really sad. Let's say that sad together. Ready? I am lost. Your turn. Good. So now he just admitted to Fox that he's lost, right? I am lost. But now he knows that he needs help to find his mother and his father and his house and his bed. So let's try to figure out what this sentence could be down here. I am lost. What's the first word? Let's look at what these words could be. So Y-O-U, that looks like a sight word that we know. That word is you. C-A-N, an, can. M-E, me, help. H-E-L-P, help. So we have you, can, me, help. So now he's asking a question, right? So I see a question mark here, which tells me that he's asking a question. He's asking for help, right? So what word do you think will be the first word in our sentence? What about this one right here with an uppercase C? We start every sentence with an uppercase, so I think that this word could be our very first word. That word is can. Can me? No, that doesn't sound right. Can help me you? Nope. What do you think he's asking? What about can you? Can you? What we have left is me and help. Which one do you think's gonna come next? Can you help me? Can you help me? So let's go back and let's read this page. I am lost. Can you help me? I want you to try. Good, make sure you sound like the character. What we're going to do now is we are going to go back to our book. We're going to scroll through to these pages. And look, now we know how to read them. Where am I? You try. All right, next page. I am lost. Can you help me? You try. All right, good job, guys. Those are the last 2 pages of our book. So tomorrow we are going to go through and we're going to read this whole book together because now we're officially experts. All right, guys, I'm very proud of you. Good job.